Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato soup powder at home. First, choose ripe, firm tomatoes for optimal flavor. Wash them well and remove any stems. Then, slice your tomatoes into uniform pieces, aiming for about 1/4 inch thick. This even slicing helps them dry consistently. Preparing your tomatoes properly is the first crucial step for delicious homemade soup powder. Let's get started. Once sliced, arrange your tomato pieces in a single layer on dehydrator trays or baking sheets. If using a dehydrator, set it to 135 degrees Fahrenheit and dry for 8 to 12 hours, or until they are completely brittle. For oven drying, use 200 degrees Fahrenheit, leaving the oven door slightly ajar for 3 to 5 hours. Ensure they are fully dry to prevent spoilage and achieve a fine powder. After your tomatoes are perfectly dry, it's time to turn them into powder. Use a high-speed blender or a dedicated spice grinder to achieve a very fine consistency. If you notice any larger pieces, sift the powder and regrind them until everything is uniform. Proper storage is key. Place your homemade tomato powder in an airtight container away from light and heat. This ensures it stays fresh and flavorful for many months. Now for the best part, enjoying your homemade tomato soup powder. For a quick and delicious soup, simply mix about 2 tablespoons of powder with 1 cup of hot water. Stir well until smooth, then add your favorite seasonings like salt, pepper, or a pinch of dried herbs to taste. It's perfect for a quick lunch or as a base for other recipes. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to make your life easier.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.